Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to manage customer relationship management (CRM) cycle in ERPNext. To start with the CRM cycle in ERPNext, we'll begin by navigating to the lead list. In the Awesome bar, search for Lead List and click on the result to open the list. Once in the lead list, click on the Add Lead button to create a new lead. Begin by selecting a salutation and entering the lead's first name. Next, choose the gender and select the source from where the lead was generated. Now, we need to define the lead status by clicking on Status and choosing from the following options: lead, open, replied, opportunity, quotation, lost quotation, interested, converted, or do not contact. Pick the status that best describes the current stage of the lead. You'll also be asked to choose the lead type. This can be client, channel partner, or consultant. Select whichever applies. Moving forward, click on Request Type, where you can categorize the request as product inquiry, request for information, suggestions, or other, and select the most appropriate type. Once you've entered these details, it's time to insert the contact information for the lead. In the Contact Info section, provide the lead's email ID, mobile number, phone, details. Following this, enter the organization details, which may include the organization's name, territory, and the number of employees. If needed, you can also add the lead's address under Address and Contacts and provide any additional information or qualifications that might be useful. Once all information is entered, click on Save to this lead. The status of the lead will now reflect the selection made earlier. The next step in the process is to create an opportunity. To do this, click on Create, then select Opportunity. The system will automatically pull some details from the lead, but you'll need to update the status by selecting Open, quotation, converted, lost, replied, or closed, depending on the current state of the opportunity. Be sure to review all details, including opportunity type, sources, and the organization's information. You can also update opportunity values and check other important data. Scroll up to the Contacts section to view the primary contact details and address. Under the Item tab, you can add product or service details by entering the item code, quantity, and rate. Once done, click Save, and the opportunity status will update accordingly. After creating the opportunity, you have the option to proceed by generating various documents such as a supplier quotation, request for quotation, or a quotation and customer. Next, let's convert the lead into a customer. To do this, click Create and select Customer. In the customer form, enter the customer name and select the customer type. This could be a company, individual, or partnership. For example, if you select Company, enter the necessary details and click Save to complete the customer creation process. Once the customer is saved, you can return to the previous screen and continue by generating any additional documents such as a supplier quotation, request for quotation, or sales quotation as needed. By following this process, you can manage your leads, opportunities, and sales orders all within one platform, simplifying your sales workflow and building stronger relationships with your customers. And with that, you've successfully completed the Customer Relationship Management (CRM) cycle in ERP Next.